My name is Lee. I am with Xantus Products. Today I'm going to be going over our new products. This is the Lockdown All-In-One PVC spray. This has the cleaner, primer, and cement all in one convenient, easy to use can. We're going to assemble a few pieces here, and we'll do some with the Lockdown and some with the traditional can-and-dauber method. That way you can kind of see the differences and judge for yourself what you think. So to start with, we're going to start with the traditional method of PVC joining, which is your typical primer and cement. And we'll go ahead and take out the primer here. This has to be a little finicky sometimes. Here. Okay. Just right around the edge there, nice and neat. Okay. Primer up and cement. You guys can't get all stuck. Okay. There. Alright. And our pipe. Right up the edge there, nice and neat. Join them together. Go nice and seated. You see we got a nice bead going there. Okay, that's a nice joint. Next we'll move on to our exciting new product, Lockdown. Alright, so to start with, we're going to go ahead and spray into the coupling first. Nice even coat here. Alright. Like that. We'll do the same on the pipe, just keeping it right around the edge here. Nice even spray. There we go. Join them together. Get a nice twist as you turn. There we go. Alright, and now you see got a nice bead, just like the other method. It's a pretty good joint. Put that right there. Quick and easy. Well, now that we've seen how quick and easy it is to use Lockdown, what's so great about it? Well, to start with, this product will not spill. They knock it right over it, no worries. It's not going to come out of this can unless you spray it. It also will not freeze. We're from the Midwest over here, and I can tell you for a fact that the can-and-daubers, these things freeze over all the time. You will not have that problem with Lockdown. What are some of the things you need to know in order to use Lockdown? Well, first you need to learn the spray technique. Just like the can-and-dauber method requires a little technique and practice to learn to use, so does Lockdown. If you're concerned about overspray, which we understand, keep in mind that you can always just spray this on a non-absorbent rag and wipe it on. It'd be just like the dauber method, except you'd have it in this can rather than having to have it in two separate cans. Now that I've shown you how to use Lockdown, let's review. Lockdown is an all-in-one cleaner, primer, and cement. Unlike other methods of solvent welding, Lockdown is conveniently all in one easy-to-use can. That makes Lockdown great for tight places like attics or crawl spaces. Lockdown fits conveniently in a pouch, tool bag, or pocket. Lockdown will not freeze and can be used in freezing conditions. Lockdown won't go bad in the can. After the first use, it will stay good for at least 2 years. Lockdown will not spill or leak. You can spray Lockdown from all angles, even upside down. Lockdown is always easy to open. Lockdown is approved for use with potable water and has all of the following certifications. Lockdown can be used to fuse PVC, CPVC, and ABS. Lockdown is recommended for pipes 6 inches or less. Lockdown isn't just better, it's cheaper and more efficient than the leading can-and-dauber products. If you'd like more information about Lockdown, please visit xantusproducts.com or send me an email directly at info@xantusproducts.com and I'll be glad to assist you. Thank you.